Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will look at urine microscopy and learn how to identify important elements under the microscope such as cells, crystals, and parasites. Let's get started.
What is this under urine microscope?
Calcium oxalate, uric acid, triple phosphate, white blood cell, red blood cell, Wuchereria bancrofti, schistosoma hematobium, sperm cell, yeast cell, amorphous urates, Trichomonas vaginalis, amorphous phosphate, tyrosine crystal, leucine crystal, epithelial cell, cholesterol crystal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful for learning urine microscopy identification, please like, share, and subscribe for more medical laboratory content. See you in the next video.